How to import contacts into Gmail. Open Gmail on your computer, click the Google Apps grid in the top right, and choose Contacts. On the Contacts page, look at the left side menu and click Import. Before doing this, make sure you have your contact saved as a CSV or vCard file, which you can usually export from another email service or app. Once ready, click Select File, find your file on your computer, and upload it. After that, click Import and your contacts will be added to your Google Contacts list. These contacts will then automatically sync with Gmail, so when you start writing an email, their names and addresses will appear as suggestions. The best part is that these contacts will also stay linked across your Google account, so you can access them not only in Gmail but also on your phone or tablet if you're signed in. This makes it easy to keep all your important contacts organized, backed up, and available on any device you use. And that's basically how to import contacts into Gmail. So that's all for this video. I hope this helps. Thank you.